Hello kids, welcome back to your maths class. We have studied subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. Today we have discussed word problems on subtraction. Word problems. First question. Archana collects 68 mangoes. Archana collects 68 mangoes. She gives 42 mangoes to Rajat. She gives 42 mangoes to Rajat. How many mangoes are left with her? How many mangoes are left with her? Archana collects how many mangoes? 68 mangoes. And she gives how many mangoes to Rajat? 42. We have to find the mangoes are left with her. So, we can write the step. Number of mangoes Archana collects 68. Number of mangoes Archana collects 68. And the number of mangoes she gives to Rajat is 42. We have to find the mangoes left with Archana. For this, we subtract 42 from 68. We subtract 42 from 68. For this, first we draw the place value chart. Tens and ones column. The number of mangoes Archana collect is 68. So we can arrange 68 in the place value chart. We know that 68, 6 tens and 8 ones. And she gives how many mangoes to Rajat? 42. In 42, 4 tens and how many ones? 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. Okay, let us start our subtraction. For this, first we put the minus symbol, the subtraction symbol. Okay. First, we subtract the digits in the ones column. First, we subtract the digits in the ones column. Subtract 2 from 8. Subtract 2 from 8. We know that 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So, we can write 6 in which column? Ones column or tens column? Yes, we can write 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 in ones column. Next, we subtract the digits in the tens column. Subtract 4 from 6. Subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So, we can write 2 in tens column. We can write 2 in tens column. So, 68 minus 42 is equal to 26. This is the difference. So, the number of mangoes left with Archana is 26. Archana collects how many mangoes? 68 and she gives 42 mangoes to Rajat. Then we have to find the number of mangoes left with Archana. For this, we subtract 42 from 68. First, we subtract the digits in the ones column. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then we subtract the digits in the tens column. 6 minus 4 is equal to 26. So, the number of mangoes left with Archana is 24. Next question. Rachel has 42 hens. Rachel has 42 hens and she gives 15 hens to her sister. She gives 15 hens to her sister. How many hens does she have now? How to find how many hens does she have now? Okay. The total number of hens is 42. Total number of hens is 42. And how many hens she gave to her sister? Look here. He gave 15 hens to her sister. You have to find how many hens left with Rachel. Look here. Number of hens Rachel has 42. Number of hens she gave her sister is 15. Total, we have to find the total. We have to find the number of hens left with her. For this, we subtract 15 from 42. We have to find how many hens does she have now. For this we subtract 15 from 42. You have to find the value of 42 minus 15. You have to find 42 minus 15. For this, first we draw the place value chart. Tens column and ones column. Arrange these numbers according to their place value. 42, 4 tens and how many ones? 2 ones. And 15, how many tens and how many ones? 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones. Next we put the subtraction symbol. This is the subtraction symbol. Okay, let us start our subtraction. First we subtract the digits in the ones column. Look here we can see that 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. We cannot take 5 ones from 2 ones. So we will borrow 110 from tens place. Then this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. We cannot take 5 ones from 2 ones. So we will borrow 110 from tens column. This 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. Now we subtract 5 from 12. 12 minus 5. We know that 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So we can write 7 in the ones column. We can write 7 in the ones column. Look here we can see that only 3 tens. So we subtract 1 10 from 3 tens. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we can write 2 in tens column. So 42 minus 15 is equal to 27. 27 is the difference. So we can say that the number of hens left with Rachel is 27. Number of hens left with Rachel is 27. Okay, another example. There are 28 bears in Rhino's forest, out of which 19 are female. How many bears in the forest are males? How many? We have to find the number of male bears. We have to find the number of male bears. Look here, total number of bears 28. Here the total number of bears is 28, out of which 19 are female. Out of which 19 are female. We have to find the number of male bears. Look here, total number of bears 28 and the number of female bears 19. We have to find the number of male bears. For this we subtract 19 from 28. For this we subtract 19 from 28. How to find the value of 28 minus 19? You have to find the value of 28 minus 19. For this, first step, draw the place value chart and arrange these numbers according to their place value. 28, we know that 2 tens and 8 ones, and 19, 1 10 and 9 ones. 1 10 and 9 ones. Next, we put the subtraction symbol. Okay, let us start our subtraction. First we subtract the digits in the ones column. First we subtract the digits in the ones column. Look here we can see that 8 is less than 9. 8 less than 9. So we cannot take 9 ones from 8 ones. So we will borrow 1 10 from tens column, and this 2 will become 1 and this 8 will become 18. We cannot take 9 ones from 8 ones. So we will borrow 1 10 from which place? Tens place. So this 2 will become 1 and this 8 will become 18. Now we can subtract 9 from 18. Now we can subtract 9 from 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So we can write 9 in ones column. We can write 9 in ones column. Then next step, subtract the digits in the tens column. Subtract the digits in the tens column. Here 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer is 9. 28 minus 19 is equal to 9. 9 is the difference. So the number of male BS is 9. Number of male BS is 28 minus 19 is equal to 9. Fourth question. Rahul invited 72 friends to his birthday party. Rahul invited 72 friends to his birthday party. 49 of them attend the party. How many friends did not attend the party? How many friends? Total number of friends invited? Look here, total number of friends invited is 72. Out of which how many attend the party? Yes, 49 of them attend the party. We have to find the friends did not attend the party. We have to find the number of friends did not attend the party. Look here. Total number of friends invited 72. Number of friends attend the party 49. We have to find the number of friends did not attend the party. For this we subtract 49 from 72. You have to find the value of 72 minus 49. You have to find the value of 72 minus 49. First we draw the place value chart and arrange these numbers according to their place value. 7 tens and 2 ones, 72. 4 tens and 9 ones, 49. Next step, put the minus symbol. Put the minus symbol. Okay, let us start our subtraction. First we subtract the digits in the ones column. That is, here look here. Here we can see that 2 less than 9. 2 less than 9. So we cannot take 9 ones from 2 ones. So we will borrow 110 from which place? Tens place, and this 7 will become 6 and this 2 will become 12. We regroup 7 as 6. 6 tens plus 10 ones. Okay. Then we can start our subtraction. Subtract 9 from 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So we can write 3 in ones column. Look here, we can see that only 6 10. Subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We can write 2 in tens column. So 72 minus 49 is equal to 23. 23 is the difference. So we can see that the number of friends did not attend the party is 23. Number of friends did not attend the party is 23. Okay. Next section, subtracting 0 from a number. Next section, subtracting 0 from a number. When we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. When we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. Example, 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. Subtract a number from 0. We can see the result is the number itself. The result is the number itself. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 23 minus 0 is equal to 23. 49 minus 0 is equal to 49. Another example. 81 minus 0. The answer is the number itself, that is 81. 99 minus 0. 99 minus 0 is equal to 99. So, when we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. Homework. Let us try 4.3. Okay children, this chapter is over. Okay, please do the homework given here. Thank you.